its way. Well, there's so much we can't explain. Or maybe we're helping each other escape.